Hello, welcome to the Little Pet Shop Friendship Lies Within by Hi, I Love Cats. Enjoy! Anna, where are you? I'm in bed, Mama. That's what I be. Okay, I'm just making sure because I couldn't find you anywhere. Oh, whatever. Going back to bed. I'm tired. Huh? Where's Gretchen? Where is that girl? Hopefully she did not sneak out again. I think she did. Call her. Oh, hang on, my cell phone's ringing. Hello? I'm Gretchen. Who's this? Your mother? Oh, crap. So you caught me, didn't you? You think? Uh-huh. You have a friend with you, right? Yeah, why would you think I want to be alone? Just making sure. Who is it? Princess Whoppers? P.F.? Okay, she's okay. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna let you stay up till 10, and that's it. No. Darn you. Yeah, I heard that. Good. That was a little awkward. Hey, wait up for me. Wow! It's so dark. I want to go back to the house. Okay. Let's go to your room. You never showed me your room. Oh, sorry. You better be. Let's go. Mom, I'm home. Is it okay if Princess Flopper spends the night? Did she ask her parents? No, not yet. She can if she asks her parents. Fine. Call your parents. Okay. Visiting. Hey, Mom. Hey, honey. Is it okay if I spend the night at, Gretchen's? Of course. Did her mom say it was okay? Uh-huh. Okay. Come home and get your stuff. Okay. So, Mom said it was okay. I'm gonna go get my stuff, okay? Okay. Honey. What's with Mom? Stop kicking me around like a soccer ball. I've got to get in bed and wait for her. Where is that thing? Stuff is heavy. Whew, that was such a long walk. Huh? Huh? Oh. Yeah. Well, Mom, you gonna leave? Okay, that was a little rude, but yeah. My mother can be so freaking annoying. Well, Mom can be that way. Okay. I'm going to put my stuff up. Ow. Sorry. I gotta go check the mail. So I'll be right back. It's Sunday. Yeah, we get stuff on Sunday. Okay. Check the mail. Who does she think I am? Gotta go check on Anna. 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 What do you want? Get out of my room. I don't want you. Why not? You're a big sister. Don't you love me? No. You fail. You fail. You fail. Guess who I invited over? Who? Them most popular girls in school. You did what? Invited most popular girls in school over to come by you. To be continued.